This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Victoria Worth. Tucked away on a quiet street in Reddick, in the Golden Corridor of Northwest Ocala, one of Marion County's beautiful, soil-rich, rolling farmland areas, is a 41-acre piece of paradise that will truly feed your soul. There is just something so special about this place. It has such a family-friendly, welcoming feeling. The 3,190 square foot home has a large, open living room space, additional living room space in front of the wood-burning double-sided fireplace and a wet bar. A bonus sitting room / library / den is on the other side of the fireplace with fantastic built-in shelving. All 3 bedrooms are large, each has its own bathroom. The master bedroom has a charming bay window and master bath has a wonderfully functional vanity space, stand-up shower and walk-in tub. The kitchen has timeless, beautiful oak cabinetry, granite tops, breakfast area and is so spacious. There is a half bath just off the kitchen, very convenient. Beautiful screen enclosed pool area has views that will take your breath away. Amenities include a whole house generator, an enclosed concrete block center aisle 14 stall barn with office, feed/tack room, wash racks, restrooms, laundry area and studio apartment, a 4-stall frame barn with water and electric, a large equipment/maintenance/hay/storage building, round pen, a 50 by 75 covered arena with shredded rubber footing and a 1985 1,056 square feet 3-bed/2 bath mobile home. This farm would be great for any discipline but would be excellent for dressage. It also has a regulation-sized dressage ring with clay and rubber footing. Minutes to all the equestrian venues. WEC hits. Schedule your private showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Victoria Worth at 352-857-9127.